Let us review the SafePal wallet under a minute. So the pros for this is that it has a robust security, which provides you a air-gapped signing via QR codes and self-destruct anti-tamper feature. It is actually also budget friendly. At $1 to $50, you can start with S1 Pro, and around $90 you can start with the X1 USB-C at $70. Next for that is that we have the white asset support. It has a 30,000 tokens across 50 to 100 plus blockchains plus DeFi NFT via companion app. So the cons for this is that the setup can be awkward because it involves QR scanning, workflows, and multiple firmware updates, and some find it cumbersome. So the bottom line for this is that this app or website right here, which is the SafePal, is actually a secure and affordable hardware wallet suite. It is ideal for users prioritizing offline protection and broad token support. It is best for long term holders who prefer a mobile first, cost effective setup.